Okay, today I will be making the Tastefully Simple Cranberry Orange Bread with Glaze Mix. And for the ingredients, it calls for 2 tablespoons water and 6 tablespoons butter melted, which I have there. So next I'm going to open this up and get everything mixed in the bowl. Okay, here it is, all mixed up. And then next I need to get the loaf pan and get that greased up. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Okay, I have it all in the pan and now it's ready to go in the oven. So let's do this. Okay, I got the glaze all done like what it did on there, so we're just waiting on it to cook. Okay, here it is, all completely cooked. Check the center of it, it's done. Next, we're going to put the glaze on. Alright, and there is the finished product. And I've had this before and it's really, really good. This would make a great gift for Christmas. I think this would make a great dessert for Thanksgiving. So if you're wanting to think about what you want to bring for the holidays, I would definitely recommend this. And there are a couple other dessert items that I can go over in more detail. If anybody's interested, just direct message me and let me know if you want to know what other products that we have, because we do have some new stuff coming out in the fall, and I will have those catalogs available soon. But if anybody wants to get any last minute items before we switch over to our fall items, just let me know too, because we still have some stuff in stock.